A field of slanted sunflowers is what Scott Thompson woke up to last Wednesday in Bristol.
Got the notifications that it was going to be pretty windy, so we kind of battened down the hatches a little bit, but it got way windier than I expected.
After strong and severe storms last week, the damage is visible. A whole sunflower field is now toppled over due to those strong winds.
Luckily for the Thompson Strawberry Farm, there are plenty of sunflowers still standing.
We have 10 different fields of sunflowers, and the more mature sunflowers were affected more than the younger ones.
After losing 50% of last week's profits, Thompson says they can do without the winds for the next round of storms.
We can handle the rain, we can handle the drought. Winds were tough. We spent the next couple days after that wind tipping trailers up and putting signs back together, and we're still missing a couple signs that are, I don't know, somewhere out there in the middle of the sunflower field.
This week, the sunshine brings customers out to explore the sea of yellow.
Bright yellow is like very iconic for being positive. So I think, yeah, coming out and seeing a whole field of them is always a very, like, just by nature positive experience.
It was kind of nice to just kind of lose yourself in it all and just kind of walk around and enjoy the beauty of it.
In Bristol, Dajia Swad, WISN 12 News.